Hey guys, Toots here, and this video is just an update to my last video upload titled No NVIDIA Control Panel, which has no audio. So let's start. When I click on the free space on my desktop, you can see my NVIDIA Control Panel here. This is called your context menu. So sometimes it's not shown here, so I'll show you where to find it. Just right click on your start menu, then left click on your control panel. Then by default, your view by is set to category. So just choose which one do you prefer, large icon or small icons. I prefer small icons because I can see all of my apps. So here it is, my NVIDIA control panel. So right click on it, click shortcut if you want to have a shortcut in your desktop. So if you just want to add it on your context menu, I'll show you. So if your NVIDIA control panel is working fine, this will be shown. So just click view. So here it is. If you want to add, just check this in your desktop context menu. If you don't want to add, just uncheck it. So right now you see it's gone. So just check it if you want to add it in your context menu. So you see it's here. So but sometimes guys, even when you click your control panel and still won't open, there might be a possible reason that your files are corrupt. Aside from your NVIDIA control panel, maybe your Intel or any files related to your graphics might be corrupt. So I add some repairs. You can check my description. So I hope it will fix your problem. So that's it for now guys, and thank you for watching.